This is how I post framed photos on Instagram.
I choose several photos first, then share to simple border. Here I pick format. I want square. Share to the Instagram. I choose a square here too. I want this image second. Now captions. Okay, location, share, and it's ready.
It's simple and fast. App link in bio.